Hi guys, let's make some very yummy ice creams today with 2 ingredients only. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and I will forever be grateful to you. We have to take regular Oreos. You can take as many as you want. We now have to separate the cream from the biscuits. Just do as it is shown in the video and it will be very easy for you. Try to use a separate bowl for scraping of the cream so that it is a lot less messier. We'll also be using the biscuits, so do not throw them away or just discard them like that. We'll freeze the separated cream for 1 to 2 hours maximum. Pour in some full cream milk in the Oreo cream. This is after the 1 to 2 hours of freezing it. There's no particular measurement of how much milk you should be using, so just have an average idea of it. Give it a good mix. Try to mix up all of the cream with the milk, but it's absolutely okay if some of it does not mix well. Here we are mainly trying to derive the sweetness of the cream into the milk because we are not using sugar, remember? Now this step is totally optional, but I am straining the milk to get any clump out of the way. I'm using popsicle cones, but if you do not have these at home, you can use the bigger ice trays and just sticks, or the silicone ice trays. Any kind of trays, you'll find them off Amazon. They're very cheap, yeah, and easily available. But just use something that you have handy. You do not need to invest a lot in it. Pour in the prepared milk in all the containers. I am a little short of milk here, but that's okay. Now remember, we had scraped out the cream from the biscuits. You'll just have to decorate your ice cream any way you want. You can break them into smaller pieces, grind them in a powder-like consistency, any way that you prefer. You can also go ahead, use chocolate chips, chocolate sauce, syrup, sprinklers, anything that you want to use in your ice cream. For the second one, I'm keeping the pieces a little bigger than the first one. Yeah, now we cover it up. This should be your arrangement at the moment. I went ahead and used chocolate chips and chocolate syrup. Yes, that one has chocolate syrup. Now we refrigerate this for 5 to 8 hours. I'll prefer if you do that overnight. And here's the final product. I am seriously just so excited for you to see how it has turned out. It did form little crystals. It did crystallize a little, but that is alright. This tastes real nice and good and it is so fun to make. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and you will try it at home. This is no rocket science, trust me, it is so very easy. And let me know in the comment section if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care.